In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website. By the end, you'll feel confident making updates to your site's content and design without feeling overwhelmed. First, head to your Wix dashboard by signing into your account. Once you're in, locate the website you want to work on and click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor, which is the main workspace where you'll make all your changes. Inside the editor, move your mouse around the page and hover over anything you want to change. You'll see outlines appear around elements like text, images, and buttons. Click any element to start editing. For text, simply select it and type your new copy. Use the text toolbar that appears to adjust size, alignment, color, and style so it matches your brand. Keep your headings concise and your paragraphs easy to scan for a cleaner look. For images, click the picture and choose the option to replace it with one from your uploads, your media library, or a free stock image collection. You can crop, adjust, or add a subtle overlay to help text stand out. Don't forget to add descriptive alt text in the image settings to improve accessibility and search performance. Buttons work the same way. Click to edit the label and connect it to a link, a page, or a section on the same page. Make sure your button text is clear and action-oriented. If you want to add something new, use the Add panel, often represented by a plus icon. From there, you can insert text boxes, images, galleries, buttons, or strips. Strips are especially useful because they act like sections that organize your page into clean, responsive blocks. Drag elements into place and use the guides to align them neatly. Keep spacing consistent for a professional finish. When you're ready to refine the look and feel, open the design or toolbar menus. Here you can adjust layout, colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Choose a color palette that aligns with your branding and stick to 2 or 3 complementary tones. Set your font themes for headings and paragraphs so everything is cohesive across the site. For backgrounds, you can select solid colors, gradients, images, or subtle videos. Make sure backgrounds support readability by balancing contrast and opacity. As you make changes, maintain a visual hierarchy, larger, bolder text for headings, ample white space around elements, and clear calls to action. With these tools and a thoughtful approach, you can confidently edit your Wix website and keep it looking polished and up to date.